going to talk about our Flex range of products. What we have here is an external masonry coating, a well-known external masonry coating. And without doubt, the fact that they provide weather protection means that there has to be a degree of flexibility, self-cleaning, weathering, etc. Movement externally with sunlight, freezing, thawing, heat, etc. on building surfaces, without doubt, is one of the biggest challenges most coatings would have to contend with. So we've got an external masonry here, coating, that we're going to demonstrate the flexibility on. I'm going to start to pull this apart, and you'll see for sure that there is a degree of flexibility there, which is very impressive, and it certainly means that you've got that movement that you need on the outside of your building. So technology certainly moved on a long way. I'm going to compare that to our Extra Flex masonry. Same film build. This is, by the way, these coatings have been applied to the back of a plastic sheet and then peeled off. So we've got the film build that you would get typically on a normal surface. So this is Extra Flex. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pull this now. What you'll notice here is that we've got incredible flexibility. This will actually go up to 400% of its own length, of its own size. I could pretty much go on a lot longer. This is the flexibility that Extra Flex, and it finally gave way there at the very end under extreme pressure. But for absolute certain, if a building moved that much, you'd have major problems. So I think it clearly demonstrates that with the sort of cracking and movement that you'd get in normal environments, you know, the Extra Flex would give you more than you would need. I'm now going to move across to an internal product, which is our Interior Flex. I wasn't able to actually show this side by side against a conventional emulsion, and the reason is that when we applied that emulsion to a plastic sheet, once it dried, we couldn't peel it off. It powdered and broke into small particles, so obviously no flexibility at all. Where this product's really beneficial, and again, I'll show the flexibility here. This is Interior Flex, so this is an internal emulsion. Again, you can see the flexibility there. Same situation, treated to a plastic film, and then it finally gives way. When we have new build, new construction, there's always a 12-month period to go back and do settlement cracks afterwards. By using Interior Flex, you're pretty much minimising that return visit of having to pay a contractor to go back and do remedial works of filling cracks and raking out, and it's disruption for the client as well as cost to the contractor. So for certain, where there's movement in a building, the Flex range of products offers a complete protection against that situation so that you don't get any breakdown in the coating, whether that's internal or external.